Hello, this is another video of Demolition Derby 3, actually. I actually have 2 installed, and I'm thinking about making a couple videos about it, because that's a game that I have less time on and less cars unlocked. But recently I've been actually doing races, which is a 20-minute video for one race. But I'm thinking about doing a race real quick for this, to buy this car. And then using that in Demolition Derby. And this is the car I've been using for racing. You do as many laps and players as you can. Then I go to the over-under CB, which is the longest race. And if you look down there, the rewards are 40,000, 33,000, and 27,000. Getting in first in Demolition Derby, like the last man standing with biggest track and the most opponents, is only 3,000. So that's pretty good. It's a fun map. It gets pretty repetitive over time, but it's good content. And as you can see, I actually don't have nitrous on this car, which for me is a pretty rare thing. I usually keep nitrous in my car in this game. You're gonna see some pretty dumb turning and some even dumber language, so I guess hold on. If I can get the freaking camera thing out of my way. There we go. Yeah, sorry, the video recorder, the app that I'm using, leaves a thing like a Facebook bubble for a chat head, and it got in my way. I couldn't hit my brake for that corner. But I'm still in first, so it's better than slamming on my brakes and then not being able to let go of them. So yeah, this is like my 15th race on this map in the past month and a half. And I didn't start doing big races and like racing at all in this game until I had like more than half the cars unlocked. And this is the first car I unlocked that was like a fast car that was meant for demolition, for a racing. That's fun. And sorry that, well, I know last time I did have some music playing, I think, in the background. That video is actually from like last month, is when I filmed that, and I just posted it the other day, so I don't really have a whole lot of backlog for videos. I just didn't feel like posting it. So that's fun. And I pretty much have no people watching any of my videos, so I'm gonna try to reply to comments when they come up, because figure you don't have a lot of people watching your videos, you're not gonna have a lot of comments, so it should be pretty easy. And I started this channel probably about 4 months ago, I think, something like that. And this is the middle of April. This is Easter Sunday 2020. And if you're watching this in the future, and yes, we are in quarantine, and yes, society did survive this long. Don't know how, but did. Oh, go away, Andre. Just for a little bit. I don't think I'll have to blur any of that out. Unless any of you are looking for a gay 22-year-old from Kansas who's black and whose family is super duper strict about everything that he does. But if yes, text him on Facebook. I don't know. Oh, I know why I was hitting on my brakes. And the fun thing about this is all the damage, it seems to be cosmetic, I think. From the little gameplay that I've gone through, it seems to be cosmetic, which is fun. So I've driven in the finish line without pretty much anything on the front of my car at all. I think I've gotten it to where I didn't have any doors, didn't have the trunk, didn't have the front end, and I think I lost the bumpers. All I really had left was the frame and the roof. Oh, I hit the wrong arrow. Damn it, you big hands. This game isn't like another one that I have of Demolition Derby. You can't really turn around very well. Another one that I have, it's kind of like not a battle royale, but like a team deathmatch on like a gun game, fighting game, but mixed with the Demolition Derby game, because you can respawn and stuff. It's a point-based system instead of a destroying other cars indefinite. Oh, what are you up for? Come on. Bad thing is I'm losing storage on my phone, so if I can't save this entire video, that means half the video is gonna be gone. Just probably gonna do one of these, and I'm gonna do a short Demolition Derby match. And I guess I'll give you guys a little bit of the first-person view. This is one of the few times that I've actually been able to use it. Usually it gets so bad that you can't see anything. So yeah, it's a fun game. And while the world's going to shit, I'm sitting in my basement bedroom playing a video game on my silly ass phone for people on the internet. When I'm not doing that, I'm watching Reddit videos made by people on the internet. So really I'm doing absolutely nothing really productive, I guess. Because I don't think I'd really get paid for anything on YouTube. I know I had a really old video for a Lego knife. It was an out the front knife. It didn't have any fancy buttons or anything. You pulled a pin on it, like there was a little tiny pin thing on it out, like a rivet made, but and it would the knife blade, which is just a 1 by I think 16, 1 by 16 Technic beam or Technic brick shot out with a bunch of plates on top of it. So yeah, I think that thing got 600 something views. That was on my old channel. I think my brother has that channel now. Me and my brother used to make videos on it when we lived in Garden City, Kansas, not Illinois, or not Illinois, but Iowa or something. I think has a Garden City. But yeah, and then we all moved to Belleville, Kansas, and then I got shipped up to Washington, which is where I am right now. So that's fun. Child Protective Services can suck my cock. So yeah. You know what's funny? All of you are watching a 15-year-old boy playing video games on his cell phone. I will give you credit though. You're putting up with a 15-year-old boy whose voice sounds like an 80-year-old smoker most of the time because he used to smoke a pack and a half of cigs a day. Cheyenne Vanillas. Ain't the best, but they were certainly the cheapest. Well, no, Talons. Talons are the cheapest. Well, there we're having fun now. Catching up to the slower people. A slacker. He was really slacking. Damn it, I hit that wrong. Nope, 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 no. Thank you, stop sign. You did a great service to me. You stopped me from absolutely killing myself. Great job, stop sign. And I think at the end of this video, I'm going to have a cussing reel. Because otherwise, YouTube might think that this video is meant for kids and make me pay $6,000 fucking dollars. There's no way in hell this channel is meant for kids. I'm playing video games on a phone, yes. Am I playing with Fisher toys? No. Am I teaching parents how to make baby formula? Fuck no. Shit tastes like ass. Am I teaching parenting skills? No. I don't have any. So if you can hear this, the whatever company made YouTube do this, I think it was a child safety advocate company or whatever, fuck you. Just really fuck you. I'm sorry that I have to make my videos for children because YouTube doesn't know how to block out ads very well. I mean, I guess technically it's the content creator's fault, But at the same time, they're just trying to make ad revenue from monetization. And I think one of the easiest things to get demonetized for is adult-themed stuff. So if I was making money and not getting demonetized for making toy-related videos, fuck yeah, I'm gonna do that. That's money. Hell, I can take all the damn money I can get. Certainly use some. Get my old bike shipped up here so my brother will stop wrecking it. For most kids that I lived with around in Kansas, they liked their fancy $300 BMXs. Me, I always liked a Mongoose 270. Nice rims. I had a friend, he was one of the few that were dirty down rednecks still for the children. And he had an old 270 that he had fixed up decently. It was his childhood bike, the one that he rode to school in elementary. And it was a nice bike. He sold it to me for $25. Oh, you motherfucker. Well, hello. But anyways, he sold that bike to me for $25. I rode it home. It was a great bike. I loved it. Ran well, and it rode even better. Heh. I think I actually got some scars on my legs from the one time I actually did wreck it. I had some plastic rim. I had a plastic rim on the back that was like a star, and it had a foam tire in it. Wrecked it so hard the rim cracked. And then the chain fell off. So that was fun. Got stabbed in the leg with a sprocket off the front. Yeah, it's one of the few bikes that I still have somewhat working in Kansas. I know right now it doesn't have the right size rim on the front, and the back tire's flat, I think. 2 more laps, folks. Gotta finish this one and one more. Then I can do a little Demolition Derby race and end this video and probably head to bed. You figure it's 8. Okay. It's not as late as I thought it was. Oh, my freaking ribs. Well, whatever glitchy messiness just happened earlier when I closed my eyes and took a short little nap going down that straightaway, tell me in the comments because I wasn't paying attention. Like I said, I took a nap during that straightaway. And if you guys know of any secret Easter eggs and stuff in these maps, please tell me. Because I kind of think that'd be pretty cool to find something. And then I've also been trying to figure out what the next car is going to be. Because in this game, when they update, they usually have another car. But they have in the menu where you pick out the car that you're going to drive for the event and buy cars, like the car lot type thing, the car catalog. Well, the first car that they show you in the list, once you first get the game, if you click one to the, I think it'd be the left side of your screen, not this screen, but your screen on your phone, it shows the car that they're working on underneath the sheet. If you just glitch your camera through, it shows where the motor is and the tires and stuff. It doesn't show any of the body. I know this last update, as of April 2020 is a tractor. Like, not a tractor, but like a lawnmower. Which I actually own. I don't know. I can't remember how I managed to get enough money for it, but it's a nice tractor, I guess. I don't know why I keep on calling it a tractor. It just kind of looks like one. Looks like a John Deere lawnmower, but with a roll cage and a bigger seat with a back on it. Looks like my uncle's John Deere, actually. Now that I think about it. Yeah, here we come, doing 120 up the hill. Oh, actually 130 at some points. If we can get a decent straightaway, I can probably hit it. There's 130. Oh, that's the one thing. That's the one bad thing about that corner. Lucky there's no one. Well, there's no one far enough in front of us to catch up to me when I wreck like that. Only people that would pass us are people that I've already lapped. So that's pretty good. Aw, he turns around. Damn. Yeah, see, the AI takes over your car and then drives. Like the damn AI it is. See, it'll swerve instead of going in a straight line. See, I got 61,000 bucks now. Which means I think I should be able to buy any car on here and upgrade it, at least with a decent motor. See, there's an AB demo class. There's a BB. That's an S for the demo, and a C for racing. Yeah. See what motor it's got in it before you buy it. Sometimes. Looks like it's just a normal V8. But okay. Where's this thing got it? 4-cylinder? Yeah, 4-cylinder. Or maybe. Well, I'm seeing. Is this 6? Maybe it is. What's a 6-in-line? That's okay. Looks like it might be a newer Skyline. Wait, did I buy the Beetle? Oh, that's the Mini. Yeah, there's the Beetle. I never bought the Beetle. I have to buy the Beetle. Okay, there we go. We own the Beetle. Okay. Okay, I don't need to worry about the number. Number's never gonna change. And then decal. Yes. Oh, that hurted. Okay, for the decal, good with a yellow. Oh yeah, that's good. Rims. Oh wait, I gotta go down here to pick rims. Go with these, yes. Okay, I already got the decals. Yes. Nitro. Then upgrade. Rims, yes. Tires, yes. Should I raise it? I think I'm gonna lower it. And then roll cage, heaviest frickin' roll cage we can get. Attachments. Plow, and there's that. And then we want side skirtings. How far down is that snow plow? Yeah, it's decently low, I guess. And then What's the super wing? Oh, it goes up there. No. Don't tell me. Oh, it just goes up there. That's just bad. That's bad. No wing. Wait, did I put not visuals upgrades?